Good morning students. Today we will see the problems on the Hess law. Yesterday we have seen the Hess law. Today we will see the problems on Hess law. What is Hess law? That is the enthalpy change of overall reaction is the sum of the enthalpies of individual steps. Yesterday we have seen the enthalpy change of overall reaction is always equal to the sum of the enthalpies of individual steps. So this is the question now. We are solving the problem. Calculate the standard enthalpy of reaction. Okay, this is the problem question. Calculate the standard enthalpy of what? Reaction. The reaction is given 2Fe plus 3/2O2. Both are in. This is solid, this is gas, and it form again solid. This is the product. Standard enthalpy of this reaction. या reaction ची आपल्याला standard enthalpy काढायची आहे. This is the reaction. So given, also given the data. Equation 1 is given. Equation 1 is what? 2Al solid. 2Al solid plus Fe2O3 solid. 2Al solid, Fe2O3 solid. What it forms? 2FeS and Al2O3S. S means solid. This is the given data. Equation 2 is given. Equation 2 is 2Al solid plus 3/2O2 gas. It forms Al2O3 solid. The delta RH naught, it is also given for that minus 1670 kJ. For this reaction, delta RH naught is minus 1670 kJ. And for this reaction, delta RH naught is also given. It is minus 847.6. It is how much? Delta RH naught 846.6. We have to calculate the delta RH naught for this reaction. Delta RH naught for this reaction. What will be the delta RH naught for this reaction? The two reactions are given. This is given. From these two given data, we have to calculate the standard enthalpy of reaction. We have to calculate by Hess law. By using. So we will solve it. The solution is in this way. In the solution, very first of all, we have to write how we will get this equation. How we will get this equation from these two equations. या दोन इक्वेशन पासून हा इक्वेशन आपल्याला कसा भेटेल? तर हा इक्वेशन या दोन इक्वेशन पासून काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय पाहिजे पहा. रिएक्टंट काय? Fe and 3/2O2. This is 3/2O2 and Fe. Where is Fe? This is Fe. 2Fe. So Fe is not given in this part, reactant part. This is the reactant. In this part, in the product, it is given. So we have to reverse this equation number 1. For this, we will first of all reverse the equation number 1. Reverse the equation number 1. So what will happen to reverse the equation number 1? If we reverse it, we will get 2Fe. Okay. Al2O3. Al2O3 also we will not require Al2O3. In the product Fe2O3. So this will go this side by reversing. When we reverse it, this Fe2O3 goes this side. Then what will it form? Equation number 1 after reversing, we will get equation number 3. So this equation number 3 will be 2Fe. 2Fe कसा है पहा है? Solid. 2Fe solid plus what? Al2O3. Al2O3 again what it is? Solid. Al2O3 is what? Solid. What it forms? It forms this 2Al. 2Al is कसा है? Solid plus Fe2O3. It is what it is? Fe2O3. This is again कसा है? Solid. आता याचा delta RH naught. This value of delta RH naught. Delta RH naught. This is the minus sign. In thermochemical equation we have seen, if we reverse the reaction, then the sign of delta RH naught, enthalpy also changed. This minus will become plus. So it will be 847.6 kJ. This is the positive sign. This is minus sign, but this sign becomes positive sign. So we have reverse equation 1, and now equation 3 we have got for this. Okay. Then add to equation number 2. If we add it to equation number 2, then Al2O3 will be cancelled. And add to equation number and add 2. इक्वेशन नंबर कोणाला 2. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 ला ऍड करूत आपण. आता इक्वेशन नंबर 2 as it is we are writing. What is equation number 2? 2Al solid. 2Al solid plus what? 3/2. 3/2 काय? Gas. What it form now? It forms Al2O3. This Al2O3 will be cancelled. Al2O3 solid. What is delta RH naught for this reaction? The delta RH naught value is equal to the delta RH naught value minus, it is minus 1670 kJ. This minus sign will be as it is. Here we are not reversed. Here we have reversed the equation. जर equation reverse केला आपण तर minus sign चा काय झाला होता? This minus sign become positive sign. This minus sign will become positive sign. If we reverse the equation, जर इक्वेशन रिव्हर्स केला आपण तर मायनस साइन काय झाला? पॉझिटिव्ह झाला. आता आपण काय करू? द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज नाउ आफ्टर add to equation 1. So we are adding to equation number 1, add to equation number 2. This step is very important. This step is very important. This step, if you write this, you will get the 1 mark for this only. Reverse the equation 1. What we are doing? Reverse the equation 1. हे कोण सांगतो? हेसला सांगतो. So after reversing the equation, we will get the final equation. What will be the final equation now? This 2Al and 2Al get cancelled. आपल्याला काय पाहिजे आहे? Required equation this one is. This is the required equation 2Fe. So therefore this 2Al gets cancelled. आपल्याला काय पाहिजे आहे? 2Fe. Therefore we have got the 2Fe. The 2Fe it is as it is 2Fe yes plus Al2O3. आपल्याला Al2O3 पाहिजे आहे का in this equation? No, Al2O3 is not there. So this Al2O3 and this Al2O3 will be also again gets cancelled. Okay. Now what left? 2Fe yes is left. Okay. Plus here this 2 gets cancelled. Therefore 2Fe we have written as it is plus 3/2. It is what now? 3/2 O2 gas. 3/2 O2 gas, it is cancelled. So what is left now? This also gets cancelled. What is left? Fe2O3. In the required equation, the product is now what? Fe2O3. It forms Fe2O3. आता पहा Fe2O3 कसा आहे? Solid. So in this way, we have got this required equation 2Fe as it is, 3/2 O2, 3/2 O2 as it is, Fe2O3, this Fe2O3 is as it is. So याचा आता आपण काय काढू? डेल्टा RH नॉट. हा डेल्टा RH नॉट म्हणजे हा डेल्टा RH नॉट जो की आपल्याला काढायचा आहे, हा डेल्टा RH नॉट. So by putting the value, we will calculate the final delta RH naught value. Okay, so just we will put the value 2Fe, this is 2Fe, 3/2 O2, 3/2 O2, Fe2O3 as it is. So now what we will get now? Minus 1670.0 and it is what? 847.6. So we will get 10 6 गेले 4 राहिले पॉइंट इथे किती राहतो 9. ओके 9 7 गेला किती राहिला 2 राहिला इथे किती राहिला त्याच्याने 7. ओके 7 4 गेले किती राहिले 3. आता इथे किती राहिले 16 16 8 गेले 8. So this will be the final answer. 6 4 10 0 2 1 3 7 3 10 0 4 आहे 3 1 4 3 1 4 4 8 7 ओके. सो here will be 6. So हे 6 असल्यामुळे किती होईल 2. 6 4 10 0 4 1 2 1 3 7 3 10 0 4 1 2 1 3 4 3 7 8 8 16. So this will be the final answer. What is the value? It is minus sign. This sign will be the minus. Therefore it will be minus 822.4 kg. The unit is important. We have to write the unit also. This unit is very important. So final answer we have got minus. This is the value. Okay. This is the minus 822.4 kg. So in this way we have solved the calculate the standard enthalpy. This is the standard enthalpy. Standard enthalpy for what? The reaction. So to calculate the standard enthalpy for reaction, minus 822.4. This is the final answer. To solve this problem, this step is very important. Reverse the equation. Okay. This step is always very important. This step. What is? Reverse the equation 1. Equation 1 reversed. So after reversing the equation 1, we have got this side is from this side and this side goes to this side. या साइडला हे गेलं आणि या साइडला हे आलं. मग अशा प्रकारे आपण इक्वेशन 1 ला काय केलं, रिव्हर्स केलं. ठीक आहे. इक्वेशन 1 ला रिव्हर्स केल्यानंतर काय करायचं, इक्वेशन 2 and add to इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 ला ऍड करायचं. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 ला कसा ऍड केला, हा इक्वेशन नंबर 2. 2AL as it is, 3/2O2 as it is. इट फॉर्म काय फॉर्म केला, हा Al2O3 सॉलिड. याचा डेल्टा आरएच नॉट किती आला, -1670. -1670. So in this way, from these two equations, this is the given data. We have written reverse the equation 1 and add to equation number काय केला आपण 2. So finally, this 2Al and this 2Al gets cancelled. Therefore, in this reactant, we require only 2Fe. 3/2O2. This is 3/2O2 as it is. 2Al 2Al gets cancelled. Al2O3 gets cancelled. Therefore, these two gets cancelled. What is left only Fe2O3. So for this delta RH naught value is how much? -822.4 kJ. This is the final answer. That is the standard enthalpy of reaction. Okay.